This is not a normal potato chip factory.
Pringles begin with carefully selected high-starch potatoes.
Only a fraction of each potato qualifies.
Industrial washing removes soil and debris.
Steam replaces blades to save edible potato.
Defective potatoes are automatically rejected.
Cooking gelatinizes starch and sterilizes the product.
Texture is digitally monitored.
Moisture removal is critical. Water drops below 8% in seconds.
Potato flakes enable year-round production. Levain. Every ingredient is precisely measured.
This is engineered dough.
Air removal prevents frying defects. Uniform thickness is essential.
Final thickness is under 1 millimeter.
Every disc is identical. Shape engineering begins here. The curve distributes stress evenly. Frying happens in seconds.
Moisture drops below 2%.
Excess oil is removed without damage. Structure sets during cooling. Thousands are inspected every second. Nothing is wasted. Flavor is a science. Is a science. Oil ensures adhesion.
Consistency is everything.
Recipes are tightly controlled.
Stacking requires surgical precision.
Every can gets the same count.
The can is part of the system.
Breakage is minimized.
Oxygen is the enemy. Freshness is locked in. Every can is traceable. Weight must be exact. Safety is non-negotiable.
Packaging prepares for transport. Automation maximizes speed. Loads are secured. Storage maintains shelf life. Global logistics depend on data. Distribution begins immediately. Pringles ship worldwide. Shelf life reaches over a year. From farm to can, every step is engineered. Speed and precision define this system.
No other chip is built like this.
The can is part of the invention.
Stacking changes everything.
Agriculture, chemistry, and mechanics converge. Automation enables consistency. Thousands of chips every minute.
Every can tastes the same.
This is engineered food.
And that's why no chip stacks like Pringles.